So properties, I've mentioned properties before. Properties are characteristics that distinguish one substance from another. And we chemists classify everything. So we divide these into categories. So there's physical properties and there are chemical properties. A physical property would be something like the taste, the color, the appearance, the melting point, the density, something that you can observe without destroying the thing. Okay? A chemical property is only displayed by changing the composition. So, thinking about gasoline. Gasoline has a distinctive odor. You can smell the gasoline, but the gasoline is still there, right? You're not changing the gasoline. Another property of gasoline is that it is highly flammable. If you demonstrate that property by burning the gasoline, you don't have gasoline anymore. It's a chemical property. Acidity and toxicity, corrosiveness, these are also other examples of chemical properties. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. We can boil the water, and in the process of doing that, we are not destroying the water. The water molecules here are in the liquid state. We boil it, they go into the gas state, but the individual particles are the same. We're changing its physical state, and that is a physical occurrence. It's not chemical. It's still water. Chemical property, iron rusts. Probably aware of this. Here we have an iron nail composed of iron atoms, and they're all nicely arranged, and it's got particular properties. Iron will react with oxygen, especially in the presence of a bit of moisture, to form iron oxide or rust. We no longer have the pure iron that was there before. The properties of the nail change. It gets this flaky, rust-colored stuff on it. It's no longer very strong, and it's brittle and will break and fall apart. So demonstrating this property of iron rusting destroys the iron. It's a chemical property. Iron rusts. So let's identify these as chemical or physical properties. The explosiveness of hydrogen gas. That's chemical. When you demonstrate that hydrogen gas explodes, you destroy the hydrogen. The bronze color of copper, that's physical. You can observe that without changing the copper. Good grief. The shiny appearance of silver, physical. Come on. The ability of dry ice to sublime. Subliming is changing directly from a solid to a vapor, a gas. That's also going to be physical. So physical properties include the state and the appearance.